Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, I'm coming to you live from a bunker deep below the Mariana Trench. I miss you all. You need to know that. Your teachers miss you dearly. Miss hearing out on your stories, miss celebrations with you. We just miss you, miss seeing your smiling faces, so you need to know that. All right, what we're going to do today is we're going to learn about gross and net income. And I want you to think about this. If you've ever seen Star Wars, Jabba the Hutt is a big, gross creature. Jabba the Hutt, big and gross. Han Solo is smaller. So if we think gross income is bigger. Net income is smaller, always. So what I want you to do first, if you don't have paper and pencil, I want you to pause the video and go get some paper and pencil, because we're going to write a few things down. We're going to do a little bit of math, and I want you to figure out some things. So pause it and go get your paper and pencil. Now that you're back with your paper and pencil, we're going to write down a couple definitions. First definition, gross income. Gross income is the total amount of income before taxes are taken out. So let's pretend you make $10 an hour and you work for 5 hours, and then they're going to give you your paycheck. How much would your paycheck be? Well, obviously 10 times 5 is $50. So your gross income would be $50. However, when you get that paycheck, it's not going to be for $50 because they're going to take taxes out of that paycheck. Taxes are important to pay for roads and to pay for police and to pay for paramedics and teachers and all those things that come out of the public money. So our gross income in that example is $50. Our net income, let's say the taxes amount to $3 coming out of your check. $3 coming out of your check, that would make your net income $47. So when you took home your paycheck, it would actually be for $47. Gross would be $50, the taxes would be $3, so the net would be $47. So the net's always smaller than the gross. Net is always smaller than the gross. Gross, big, Jabba the Hutt. Net, small, Han Solo. Gross, big, net, smaller. Okay? So now, let's look at one example. This example says Damon earns $3.25 per hour and works 10 hours per week. What is his gross income? Well, we're going to take the amount he makes per hour, which is $3.25, and the number of hours he works, which is 10 hours. We've learned how to multiply by a power of 10. When we're multiplying by a power of 10, we move the decimal point to the right one place. So what is his gross income? His gross income is going to be $32.50. Now, we have taxes. Not Texas. Taxes. The taxes for his paycheck are $7. So $7 is taken from his paycheck. Here's his paycheck. This is his gross income. The government is taking $7 from his income. And now we need to figure out what his paycheck's actually going to say. How much will it actually be, the paycheck? So what we need to do now is we need to take the taxes, which in this case are $7. We need to take that from the gross, which is $32.50. So we need to find the difference. Difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. So let's take $32.50 and we subtract $7. Subtracting, make sure we line up the decimal points. Decimal point is always after the ones place. Since it's 7, the ones, that's in the ones place, so our decimal goes right behind it. And if we subtract, we start all the way over to the right, so we have 0 hundredths, or 0 pennies, because there are 100 pennies in a dollar. 5 tenths, subtract 0 tenths is going to be 5 tenths. Add and subtract, our decimal point comes straight down. 2 minus 7 I can't do, but I can do 32 minus 7. But if we want to make it easier, we'll borrow. We'll take 1 10 away. So now instead of 3 10s, we have 2 10s. But I need to take the one we took away, and so I need to add those to the ones. So I'm taking that $10 bill, I'm trading it into ones. So now I have 10 ones, plus the 7 ones I have, or the 2 ones I have, so now I have 12 ones. 12 minus 7 is 8, 7, 6, 5 is 5. And then we have 2. So his net income is $25.50. So he earned $32.50. The taxes are $7. So his net income is $25.50. Gross is the total. Net is after taxes. So very simple if you think of it that way. So you wrote down the notes. Follow this example, which means when you're doing some work, you can always go back and look at this example. Cool, cool. Boom, shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today, and save the bees.